And coming to the last stretch here, we've got Club Nautica. Nine months of the year we have a quiz here on a Sunday night. So I think you're there and with a great view. And now this is one of the big ones of little houseboats you can rent. Well, they're not actually boats. Well, they're boats, but they don't move. I don't like the seats that come with it at the top. I've been inside and it's quite cramped actually. It sounds nice, but I think it's more if you're on your own, or maybe if there's two of you, just to chill and relax. If you want peace and quiet. And you can be here, and there's the catamaran coming along, taking these people across the river and bay to Cadiz. Another CCTV camera. There it goes. A lovely way to go across to Cadiz. Here in El Puerto de Santa Maria, and it's a sunny day. It's a crane. It's a big crane. Heavy crane. So it's quite nice around here, looks nice. And you can see there are more of these little non-moving boats to live in.